Hey guys, in this video I will be using paintbrushes to do my makeup. Disclaimer, this is no makeup tutorial, I'm just trying out paintbrushes to do makeup. These brushes are synthetic, so it's vegan and super affordable. To be honest, I am quite impressed by how these brushes are working. And I also tried doing cut crease and graphic liner using these brushes and it works super fine. Normally when you buy vegan makeup brushes, it will cost you around 3 to 4,000 or even more, and these brushes comes under 100 rupees. I think it's a great deal. If I have to rate these brushes, I'm going to rate it 8.5 to 9. And I'm totally going to use this again for my brows, concealer, lip liner and eyeliner. It was quite hard for me to blend eyeshadow with this brush because it was quite soft. You can also find fan brush for your highlighter, but currently because of lockdown I don't have it. I am totally impressed by these brushes. I truly suggest you guys to try it. And the fact that it only costs 35 rupees to 60, it's a deal.